So hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. This is Shreya, and guys, today we are starting the video from here. And today was Sunday and a very special day, you can say, because today we have done lot of things, and means lot of things means actually we want to sell this house, or maybe we will in future we will make this house. We will build again. Okay, so we were trying, he means my elder brother, and he and with my mother-in-law, they went to a dealer for dealing this house. And I think in future we will sell, or maybe we will make home here. Okay, so we were discussing this thing today, and he has spent 3 days of holidays with me. So the memory which he made was incredible. Means yesterday was the lovely day because we first of all we took bath in the rain. Okay, then we went to a fair, as you know very well. So guys, okay, you are saying that he is not saying anything.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Why are you speaking like this?
How are you all?
Now you are fine.
So, huh? What happened? यहाँ क्यों लेके आई हो अभी?
Good
ये अभी
night.
आपका है, हमारा नहीं है।
नहीं यहाँ पे ऐसे ही था
ये देखो हमारा वो रहा। ले जाओ इसे। कोई बात नहीं, ले
बाहर
जाओ।
टेबल पे रख दो.
बाहर रख।
So guys, someone is there. Okay, and I want to show you something that
अभी
today.
गन्ने उंगली नहीं डालते अभी।
अभी बैड मैनर्स होता है ना, ये आदत किसने सिखाई है? अभी पिटवाती हूँ भाभी से, रुक जाओ. गंदा सीख लो, टच नहीं करना है मिल्क को ऐसे.
ऐसे नहीं करते अभी। हेलो।
So guys, there is one child in my home. So today I have applied a very beautiful eyeliner wing. You can see. I will give you tutorial also. See, the wing which I have made is very beautiful, and it is looking very like fishy eyes.
गिर
Can you
जाएगा
see?
अभी, इसमें गिर जाएगा, मान जाओ।
And how I am looking today, Rahul?
फैंटास्टिक।
And if you can watch my अविका, what क्या बोल रहे हैं हम? बाहर टेबल पे रख दो ना, हमारा नहीं है, ले जाओ बाहर.
चलो कोई नहीं, ठीक ठीक है, कोई नहीं। बाय
So
अभी।
I have
Good
a
night.
beautiful earrings. See, look at this. I have like, well, what we can say,
गुम्बद।
gumbad. This is like a, like, वो गाने नहीं होते वो. Have you seen that movie? In Amitabh Bachchan, there is one Amitabh Bachchan Suryavansham movie. So hero heroine means used to go in this type of place and took photo, wedding photo there. They do pre-wedding shoot in this type of things like Lodi Garden,
हम्म।
Purana Killa. You have seen many types of houses like this. That is not house, monument, historical monument, you can say. So today you are so busy, you are not speaking anything. Tomorrow you have to go for your job. He's
Yes.
preparing, guys. He is setting alarm. You can see. Okay, the focus is, they are not. Oh, what happened? Wait, guys, wait. I will show you. See. Wait, Rahul. Wait now. See, Rahul, as I am, what we can say, decreasing the brightness, it is visible. So So he has sat along. Well, today how my eyes are looking. See, you are not looking at my face.
Hmm.
See, like this I have eyes today.
Beautiful.
Come closer. You are not looking at me. Come closer. Now see this type of eyes. Can you see?
Looking very good.
Hmm. I have made wings. See, wings.
Hmm.
Hmm.
It's called wings.
Yes, like this. Now see.
Oh, give me. I should write.
Hmm. The hair.
Hmm?
See how many hairs.
Give me to write.
Now take this notebook or either throw this here. So guys, see how many here. This is a very good pen.
Hmm.
The lid is very smooth.
I think it was 20 rupees.
Hmm. Today I will write. You have to speak now. I have
don't
spoken many
improve
things. I have spoken 6 minutes. Or do you have to speak at least 4 minutes?
No, no, you are very good.
He is not practicing. See,
Hey, because you are very good. What is date today?
17.
Oh, yesterday we did not write.
So one page you, one page me. Because yesterday we don't made video. We have made video. We have not written that. So guys, today I'm so thirsty. Want to say something
Hmm?
about tomorrow? You have to go. How are you feeling?
Now I will have to do work again.
Hmm.
There was some pleasure
Hmm.
for 3 days.
Hmm.
Now days will be same.
Hmm.
Going to office,
Hmm.
coming back
So I think
to
we should
home.
learn this thing. Learn something from this type of things like job, because job is the thing where you get little bit happiness, where you do mistake, where you get worry about the things, and sometimes you have to do extra work. So this is the life. In the
Hmm.
life, sometimes problems will come, sometimes happiness will come. Sometimes, Rahul, today I want to say 100 times one thing only. What do you know? What? My eyes. You can't means only girls can relate. Is it girls that the girl who have eyes like me, and if they are speaking and something they are doing, so this is the wing which I have made here. That is a very beautiful and very, well, you can't relate, you know.
Hmm.
That is a very smooth and professional type. Is it? Girl, if girl will watch, she will say, and she will comment that, give the tutorial.
Hmm.
This wing also and this wing also, you can see this one and this one. So I know I am feeling very very beautiful myself.
Yes, you are.
Hmm. Your writing is so good.
Hmm.
Hmm. So guys, yesterday after coming from fair, I was feeling something for him. I have noticed something that at first, means before this month, I think in July or June, uh, his face was little bit dulling day by day. I don't know, because of field work or something else, but his face was, means he was very fair before marriage, but after 2 years his face was going down. I have realized. Then for me, I have brought sunscreen. Then I convinced him. I made him to use that sunscreen daily. Daily, I was giving lecture. I was convincing him that use this, follow this. He then when he started follow, then he is he has clear face. because you know I have one acne scar, but he don't have any scar, so he's glowing more than me, and is using everything: vitamin C serum, moisturizer, toner, sunscreen, everything he is using. And sunscreen, he is using Lakme sunscreen, that is gel based. When my sunscreen will finish, I will also use that sunscreen, because Lotus sunscreen is also best, but Lakme is also good. So both the brand is same. So if two cream will be there in one home, so many people will say that they use another type of cream. Two people, two cream. So I will bring one cream sunscreen, that is Lakme. Is it? So now I will ask you. Okay, I will not ask you. One day you have to say from your own,
Hmm.
from your heart, that yes, Kushin, now my face is looking so fair as I was. Oh yes, you know very well. He has one white patch, okay, pigmentation in his face. Have you seen or not? You have seen in the first or second video. You can see he have patches. Not patches, one patch. Okay, one white pigmentation. Now he that is fading day by day. He has eaten 15 days tablet, that is multivitamin or vitamin capsule. One skin doctor has given to him, but I don't know that is working or sunscreen is working. What do you think? Which is working?
Sorry.
Which is working? That capsule is working or sunscreen is working on your face? What do you think?
Sunscreen.
Because he have eaten and that was not decreasing. So means she was saying also, means that was a female doctor. She was saying that come if it is not decreasing, but we didn't went.
It did not go.
We did not go. We started using sunscreen. Now his pigmentation is almost finished. You know, you will see, you can see in previous video, in your video you can all see that you were showing to your audience, is it that I have bring medicine for this. Now you will see that face. Okay, do like this, and one video you can see, that is means the difference you can see.
Hmm.
Yes, I will okay, okay, did this
Today you will do chumpy. Will you do?
on your face, on your head. Okay.
Will you?
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
Hmm?
Okay.
So bye guys. See you tomorrow.
Bye guys. Bye.